friends, so this is a purifier candle. It is a used one. So today we are going to see and cut it what is inside it with a heated knife. So see, I am now cutting it with a heated knife. I have cut it, so now this is what is inside the can purifier. This is it. It's almost like a pipe with something inside it. I am going to show you what is inside. So it is little bit stuck from inside. Yes, now it is removed. So there is a carbon filter inside this wrapping. So I will open it. This is the wrapping, you can see. And now this is the main thing what purifies our water in the filter. See, it's totally empty from inside. Nothing is there. Nothing is inside. And in steel water filter, ceramic candles are used. Both ceramic and carbon candle are same, but they are different in price. Like the ceramic candle is less in price and the carbon candle is more in price. We will see how it purifies and what is there, what it uses to fill it. So I have heated the knife already, so I can cut off the plastic. And here it is. So this is what is inside. So now you can see it is only a pipe, but I think maybe some things would be inside the pipe. I don't know what is the name of this pipe. So let's see what is inside it. So I will first poke it so it can come out. So this is the cover, and this is the reality thing what is inside it. See, now it is empty. Nothing is there. And this is the real thing what is inside. And this is used to purify the water we drink. Now here it is locked very tightly, so we again need to heat the knife and cut it off like we did with the cover. Done this, and see, it is a iron rod in which it is covered with layers of this tissue paper like cloth. This I don't know what is the name, but it is just like tissue paper and it is totally wet. It is absorbed with water totally. See, it is so tightly packed. It is tightly packed, so we cannot see inside things. I have removed some of the layer, and now they have tried to hide from us what is really inside it. So they have put in a layer of soil. So see, now the soil was absorbed in this, so it's getting black and brown. So now is the end of this thin cloth which was totally wrapped in this plastic rod. And do you think this will purify any of the water? I don't think. And for this plastic rod and this layer of thin cloth like tissue paper, it cost us 1000 rupees. And they just put it in the can and then show us that it's a water purifier and put it here. Done. Water purifier is done. This is not how water should purify. There should be some mechanical things inside. And friends, the conclusion is that in the Kent water purifier there is a carbon candle, and in the local candle there is a plastic rod wrapped with a cloth. See, this is a local candle. You can see here. I am showing you. And this is the thing what is inside the local candle. And it is wrapped with a cloth. Totally wrapped. There is many more layers there. So thank you.